Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Ashlyn here, and it feels so good to finally be making a video again. I've been gone for like a year and a half now, which is absolutely crazy to me. Life ended up happening and YouTube just wasn't a part of that life at the moment. But as you all read, I am here to show you this super cute application and tutorial of this wig. I did put layers in it, which I didn't include in this video, but the next video I'll be sure to include me actually cutting layers into the wig. But that was a whole process. When I tell y'all, like, that was a whole process. So I did keep, you know, this look. I definitely really like this wig. The details are to come, so keep watching. So today I will be reviewing the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig from Sensationnel. It's from their What Lace collection. I got it from Elevation Styles online. I took it out of the package, but I haven't opened it yet, so this is my first time unboxing it, and y'all with me on the ride. So as far as the construction goes, I got the color 1B because that's what I saw another girl on YouTube get, and I like the way it looked on her, so I went from there. As far as the construction goes, it's a 13 by 6 customized wig, ear to ear, with 6-inch deep hand tied. It's pre-plucked, so that means the hairline, you shouldn't need to do any extra plucking. And it already has baby hairs. It doesn't require any zip out or anything like that. It's not a U-part wig. So this is how it comes in the packaging. Of course, take this out, you have the actual wig. It looked cute on her, so y'all, so we about to see. So this is how the wig is constructed. You have the one comb here, one comb here, and then you have a comb in the back. As far as like texture, it's okay for it to be a synthetic wig. It's okay, so we'll see. Okay, let me take my glasses off because right now we looking kind of crazy. So this is how it's looking. Definitely got stuck to my lip gloss. It's cute, but I'm still trying to understand it. Okay, so obviously we really gonna have to like customize this and make it work and let it do what it do, because I pay for it, so we gonna make it work. I did cut the lace, so now we have this, just so y'all can see. And it's actually not that bad, like it's really not. So let's see. think this is the easiest the wig has ever laid for me. Like, that's crazy. Okay, so this is how we're looking. Haven't done anything to it yet, just laid it down real quick, but we're not keeping it like this. No, cut it. So I think I'm gonna do a side part because I'm feeling a side part. Okay, well that's good that looks like that. Very much scalp material. We about to cut this because I refuse. Okay, this is really, really cute. Like, I'm really feeling it. I need to spray a little bit because I don't like the way that looks. But we're gonna add some baby hairs and go. Oh, this side is even more of a look. Hold up. Okay, I'm really trying to figure out which side I like more. I think it's this one. I think we're just gonna stick with this one because, yeah, see, if you leave your fingers out of it, it'll be okay. But the constant, like, running your fingers through it, that's what, like, tangles it. So, we'll go from here. And then for baby hairs, I just grab a little bit. This is crazy. I just applied an entire wig without my glasses. Like, that's actually crazy. But now to like fully style this, I'm gonna put them back on so I can get to the nitty-gritty. Okay, wow, this is crazy. It actually looks really good. So, me being me, I actually might just wear it in the middle and call it a day. So I actually like it. Like, I think it's pretty cute. And then we need to lay this a little flat. So usually when I would lay my wigs, I would put a scarf on after I applied it and let it dry for like 10 to 15 minutes. But because this is a quick tutorial, just like application, we skipped that part. But other wig tutorials, I'll be sure to show that part so that everyone can see like how I lay it, how I lay the hair back so that it's out of the way, things like that. Now that's hot. We're going to just apply a little heat to really make this lay, and be careful because this is synthetic hair, so just make sure that you're careful when doing this part. And we're just gonna tuck that a little bit, tuck that, and yeah, I like this. Let me show y'all the back. It has movement. It doesn't feel like too much on my head. I like it. This could very much be a cute like everyday look. And then yeah, I think off camera I'll try to like shape it to my face a little bit more because this seems like it's just kind of out there, but it's still cute. So